Hi everyone, my name is Nas. I have an Etsy shop with the name Sewing Panda Patterns where I sell digital sewing patterns. I'll leave the link in the description box, please do check it. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stitch this scrunchie. First cut the fabric with the notches and fold it half in the lengthwise. Then pin it all over the edge by leaving the little gap between two notches to insert the elastic. Then take it to the sewing machine and stitch it. Now turn it right side with a loop turner. Here if you want you can press it, but I prefer pressing it before or after cutting the fabric because if I press it now it becomes flat, so it doesn't give that poofy kind of a look. As you can see, there is a gap or tunnel. Now insert the one end which is near to the gap. Then bring the other end and insert into the same gap. Make sure to match the seams and pin it with the seams open. Then stitch it around with 1 cm seam allowance. Now pull the scrunchie from two sides and insert the elastic. Then make a tight knot. Now close the gap with a few stitches. I hope you like this video and the pattern. Please share your comments below. And see you with the next video. Till then, bye.